Alright, and welcome back for some more easy blues harmonica, and today we're going to be unboxing a Rocket Low. So this isn't a very low rocket, it's an F, so it is one tone lower than your standard harmonicas, as the standard harmonicas used to go from F down to G. Low Fs are quite common these days, and I tend to sort of prefer low Fs to a high F generally. So yeah, so it's 2023, it's the 3rd of the 3rd, 2023, and this one retails at $149 Australian. So let's work out how to get into the box. Got the little plastic thingies on the side. So let's see what we've got. Whoa, yeah. So rockets come in these nice cases with the zip around them, but the box away. So yeah, really good for carrying harmonicas, nice and dust free. Really highly recommend these cases. You can buy them separately. So let's unzip him and see what's inside. Ta-da! Yeah, Rocket's just showing the code to everybody, but it's all good. Take those out. So yeah, Rocket Low. So first thing is, okay, doesn't have vented side covers. Alright, so let's see what we sound like. Lovely, like you would expect. Like I said, I've got a few rockets. These are usually pretty good. Overdraw in there as well as the overblow. Sounds lovely. Must admit, I'm a little bit surprised that it doesn't have bigger cover plates. For example, I usually play like Manjis. This is a low F Manji, and if we look at the cover plate on the bottom of that, see how it's quite big. Let's see what she sounds like in comparison. Manji is slightly raspier, but remember it's got vented covers. They generally sound like that, whereas the closed covers do not. So yeah, a little bit surprised doesn't have that extended bottom. That's a bit of a Joe Felisko feature. This is a Neil Graham harmonica, and it's actually got that extended bottom on them. That's made by hand on this one, so this is, they were originally sort of like bent extra metal or reshaped them using extra metal. So yeah, a lot of low tuned harmonicas will have that. This is only a G, I think. Oh no, 8. So yeah, okay, let's play it again against I've got another low F here. This is a Manji. This one's customized, so I didn't actually get the low cover plate on this one. This one also has normal cover plates. I find Fs don't really rattle their reeds. So you feel slightly warmer. Again, that'll be the non-vented versus the vented plates. So lovely. Put that one back. Put that one back on the right spot. So yeah, low F rocket. Really like rockets. Usually excellent harmonicas out of the box, as you can hear. Play that minor pentatonic scale again. blues scale on the way down with the overdraw. So yeah, get out there, try out a low F rocket. Highly recommend it. There we go, now I can see it says rocket. Yeah, get out there, have some fun.